guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Gayatri and today we are going at a place known as Machiko Farm Stay, which is located in Susgaon near Lavore. If you don't know, Symbiosis Institute for Mass Communication is located at this particular place. So we'll go there and I'll take you through the entire process. We also have some of our friends with us and it's going to be like a one-day staycation there. So yeah, let's go there. But also I have with me my sister who is also filming a vlog. So that's Janvi. She just started her YouTube channel and I'll list down the link in the description box below. So make sure you check her channel out and yeah, I'll see you there now. Hi. Got our rooms. Me, Devika and Janvi, we are sleeping in this beautiful room. They do have a round bed here which is really cute. Yeah, we know. Also we have Amay and Parth, but they are staying in another room. Also you can see this room is very pretty. I'll show you the bed. Yeah, she looks pretty bad. Also that's Devika, say hi. And that's our round bed. Also this is where the room opens and you have a cute little swing here. So yeah. And we have more chairs here. We also have a cute little table here, which obviously we can have tea on, and this is another room where probably Amay will be sleeping. So even this is really cute. But we are pretty impressed with how beautifully this place is kept, and you can see that it's all decorated by hand, so it looks really pretty out here. Also it's away from the hustle bustle of the city, so you can have a quiet little staycation and holiday here. And they do have a lot of trees around, so it's like you are living with nature. And yeah, we'll just take a stroll around and see how this looks like, but keep watching. Also guys, right now we are here in the center of this place. So they have these chairs which are full of the squeezy balls. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, it's really pretty. You can see how cool this is. I'll just try to go down now. Wait. My sister is also vlogging, so you might get a lot of disturbance in the background, so excuse me for that. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and that's a really pretty wall behind me. We also have a small conference room here. Not a conference room, but it's kind of... Okay, first of all, we have a pool table here. So yeah, that's the pool table behind me. Sorry. Oh, that's a table tennis, not a pool. Damn, I'm really bad at this now. Okay, so now one of my favorite corner. You can see how this is. So they have these leaves in the background which they have painted. And they have a quiet little sitting here, which is pretty impressive. Basically, this farm stay is located in Susgaon. If you don't know, Susgaon is near Lavore, and it's actually a really pretty property. They do have around 500 coconut and mango trees here. So we'll try to show you around as much as possible, but then before that I'll list down all the contact information of this place. So that's what my friends are up to. Kaya मैं? फिर से बोल. फिर से. अदरक. चहा अदरक वाली असते. कॉफी अदरक वाली पाहिजे त्याला. पाणी नाही आहे इथे, त्यासाठी चढायचं आहे मला. पण अमय बोलतो झाडावर चढ आणि हे झाड इतकं छोटं आहे.
अरे सो झाड़ पे चढ़ के इसका फोटो अच्छा आएगा, इसलिए मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ, बट उसको करना नहीं है वो चीज
बंदर या फोटो नहीं खींचना है. और बाय द वे पार्थ पार्ले-जी बिस्किट कॉफी में डुबो के पी रहा है. लुक एट हिम. ओके, ही इज दैट गाय.
हम लोग के पास कुकीज खरीदने के लिए पैसे नहीं है, तो इसलिए हम लोग पार्ले जी पे जीते हैं.
सी यू कैन ईट पार्ले-जी बट ओनली विद चाय. ऑल्सो अगर कोई पार्ले-जी पानी के साथ खाता है तर आय एम गोना डिसोन देम.
असं कुठे लिहिलंय सांग.
हा, हाच तो मुलगा जो कॉफी मध्ये
यही है
पार्ले-जी डुबून खातोय.
इसको
गाइस, ऑल्सो और एक बात, they are kind of setting up this cute little tent वाला thingy.
बट हम यहाँ पे रहने नहीं.
हाँ, and that's the bonfire. छोटा वाला ऑलरेडी बन गया है. हाँ, वो देखो right here. And काका मोटा वाला सेटअप बना रहे हैं. काका से हाय. काका हाय बोला. हाय. Also now in this video you can see that Thanu was sitting and eating Parle-G biscuits, and we all were just surrounding him because he's just so cute. Honestly, he has one of the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen in a dog. Just look at him. Also, some of our friends went out and got ourselves some chicken and spices to cook. And here I'm washing the raw chicken because we are going to deep fry this, and also marinate the chicken in some spices, corn flour and egg. And you can see that they already have utensils, so you don't have to bring
So
much
guys, now
from
we are
home.
finally going to deep fry the chicken. We have already marinated it, and this is like the traditional Indian chulha. So yeah, I'll just put in the oil now. In case you don't know the recipe of this chicken, it's already up on my channel, so you can go and watch it. So this much oil is sufficient now. We'll just let it heat. It's not gonna take much time because the temperature is really high.
So guys, finally हमने चिकन बना लिया है. I don't have a tripod. मैं ऐसे ट्राई कर रही हूँ. But yeah, Parth, how's the chicken?
बेस्ट
काय करतोय?
लाईट देतोय मी तुला. आय एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट लाईट
हाँ. आणि that's Janvi.
सुपर डिलिशियस.
Did you like the chicken?
I loved it. अभी तो एक ही पीस ट्राई किया. I'm still thinking कि अभी कितना खाऊं, क्योंकि और हमारा थाली आना भी बाकी है.
Yeah, we almost like made 1 kg chicken. Light नहीं आ रहा है. Yeah.
ये ना तू न कोई कैसा
And that's Amay. Amay, review the chicken.
Chicken was good. It was like KFC wala chicken, crispy and yummy.
बेटर देन KFC.
Yeah, you can say better than KFC because हम लोग ने बनाया ना, तो it
हाँ.
should be better than KFC.
It was seasoned very properly.
Finally, we woke up and freshened up, I need to say. And we have all dressed up to click some pictures here, but we are going to check out now. It's almost 12:30. The checkout time is 11, but we were...
12, but then we are 1 hour late.
Yeah, we are too lazy. So yeah, we'll just click some pictures here and check out. Up till then, to check out the property, I'm gonna list down and tag them in the description box below. So finally we are done with touring the property, and our staycation is finally come to an end. But actually I would just like to say this, that although this property is pretty close to Pune, you won't get the feeling of being in Pune because you know you are in middle of the nature and you just don't feel like you are just 10 minutes away from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's also located very close to Symbiosis College, so if you are someone who is interested in a staycation but you don't want to go away too far from the city, then this place is an ideal place for your staycation. You guys can come here with your family, and they do have around 2 bedrooms here. But then obviously if you're coming with family, I don't think that comfort matters a lot. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place, and I hope you must have liked this vlog. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys check out the property, and I'm going to list down all the contact information as usual in the description box below to make sure you check them out, and also follow them on Instagram. I'll list down their IDs and also my ID if you guys aren't following me on Instagram yet. So yeah, thank you so much for watching vlog, guys, and also thanking Amay because he's the one who arranged the tour of this property, and Parth, not Atharva. So
Thank
yeah
you.
guys, thank you so much. And see you soon. Bye bye.